Hey guys, welcome back to AZ Networks channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a THETA wallet. So many friends ask me how to create a THETA wallet and how it works. So first of all, you need to go to theta.org. I'm gonna put in the description below and then hit the wallet right over there, then it will take you to this page. If you have a wallet already, so you can just open it from here. If you don't have a wallet, you need to create one. So here you go, you can create one. I'm gonna just hit the create a wallet and set a new password. Sorry guys. Here, you just choose a password and hit the click understand. They say download key store. So when you download the key store, it's gonna show you up like where you wanna save your key, the key store file. So just choose a folder that nobody can touch it and open it. So I'm gonna put in this folder right now. I'm gonna okay, it's downloading right now. Okay, this is a mnemonic phrase, which is show you 12 words, which allow you to recover your wallet later, which is very important. You need to remember this 12 word. So just click the continue and copy paste this 12 word. So that's gonna be very, very important. So just I prefer not saving in the notepad, just write it somewhere in the paper because sometimes if your computer is like don't work anymore, you need to you don't have access for your computer, so you can just have it from your paper. Just use this 12 word and save it somewhere and keep it safe. So hit continue and say unlock the wallet. To unlock the wallet, you need to do one thing to open it. Choose the key store is right over there, or to open it and put your password, and it's gonna open the wallet for you. So I don't have any Theta right now. Right here, this is your wallet. You can send and receive any Theta or T-Fuel right here. I'm gonna log out. The other way to open it is a mnemonic phrase. So you need to put the 12 word phrases right here. I'm gonna show you this 12 word because I'm not gonna use this wallet anymore, so it's okay. So just don't use this wallet because everyone see it in my video. So never this use this wallet. So just put the 12 words and put your password and unlock the wallet. It's gonna open your wallet again. That's a first way. Second way to open your wallet. Another way, if you have a Ledger Ledger wallet or Trezor wallet and you have a SETA store inside, so that's how you open it. You need to go to hard wallet, click on the Ledger and choose one of these. Like by default is just choosing this one. And when you hit continue, it say insert your security key to the USB port. Like you need to put your ledger and connect it to your laptop or your computer to show this one. That's how you open the hard wallet. More of the friends kind of get confused. This hard wallet is gonna open the ledger wallet in your inside your SETA. If you have stored any SETA in your wallet, so you're gonna see it from here. That's not your online. That's not your online wallet. It's not gonna be the same as this one. It's gonna be different one. That's your online wallet, which is the SETA store and the SETA website. But this one, it's inside your Ledger or Trezor wallet. So that's how it works. I hope you guys like in my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the ring bell to get notified when I make any new videos. Thank you guys. Bye.